there's my laptop and there's my main monitor here, and you know, it's not looking so good. So I wanted to have like 2-in-1 laptop there, so it's like really close to me. The screen I can put it closer because it doesn't have keyboard. And it does have keyboard. I can flip it around, so a little bit closer. And I wanted to get. I used to use 15-inch laptops, but now I want to go for something smaller, like 13-inch or something like this one, so that I can carry it around easily and things like that. So let's open this up. That's the charger here. Yeah, that's the pen. It's got battery inside, the charging cable, the laptop. That's the power button right there, which has fingerprint sensor on. I'm gonna, of course, I'm gonna install Linux here. Alright, so this is exactly what I wanted, having 2-in-1 laptop here. So I'll have like a small system monitor or something, and that's gonna be my main display. That's 4K 27-inch, but I actually want 4K is too much. I don't need that many pixels, but I would rather prefer smaller, lower number of pixels, but like wider. 34-inch 3440 by 1440 pixels would be good. That's the resolution I want to go for. It's nice. Windows is nice actually. This stuff plug and play. Okay, now I'm playing 4K video on YouTube. You can definitely decode. Alright, so this is now currently my desktop setup. It took me much more time than I thought, because this thing here, Dell, there has been BIOS update a few days ago. I was actually lucky to find it out, because of that new BIOS update, I was able to finally install Ubuntu in 19.10 and everything. You can see that it's 1.3.1. So things you have to notice, to take care of when you install Linux, is that this thing didn't work right on. So I had to do AHCI mode and also secure boot. For example, I can turn this on because my Ubuntu 19.10, that's the kernel is signed, so you can do that. But if I want to install something kernel that is not signed, that is unsigned, then I have to turn that off. But since I'm using 1910.10, it's gonna work. I set up this small script and I put it in the startup applications. The script right there, rotation.sh. I go there and then rotation.sh. A small shell script that detects monitor sensor, some kind of gravity sensors there, and then based on that, it does rotation. So for example, if I turn that way now, then it's gonna rotate back there. It's gonna come back normal. The thing I have to tell you that I was pretty disappointed was that this comes with Thunderbolt 3, which has a type of USB Type C. And then I thought with that I can plug in HDMI 2.0, all the USB peripherals, or power, even power, of course, power delivery and everything. But then the USB hubs that I was able to find out there, none of them, seriously, not a single one of them had HDMI 2.0, which means it cannot output 4K display at like 60 Hz. What's the point then? So I had to use HDMI ports that this laptop comes with. Fortunately, it comes with HDMI 2.0, and this is running on Intel dedicated graphics card, which is of course going to be way worse than NVIDIA graphics card, but it works okay. I mean, I don't do crazy stuff. I don't watch 4K videos. I don't do gamings much. Just bunch of terminals that are arranged. That's basically what I'm doing. And then what else do I have to tell you guys? Yep, so Thunderbolt 3.0, it's being totally overkill now. It's actually connected to the USB 3.0 hub, which have 4 USB ports, one for the microphone here, one for the webcam, the other one for my mouse and my keyboard, which I want to change. I want to switch to mechanical keyboard. I hate this keyboard now. Things like that. Yeah. And the touch screen here, it's kind of weird. Yeah. When it's connected to this monitor, but I don't use it anyways. It's when running on Windows, then it's okay. And all right, please, how can I turn off? Okay, there you go. And then, oh yeah, actually I installed this alongside with Windows 10 operating system that it comes with. Let's boot to Windows 10 or not. No one likes Windows. Yes. Anyways, if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.